What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hot.
So I'm not sure what happened to the footage before where you're going to see the video start. And we're going to start in the middle of Biggie Small's Chips. But ignore that part. Just enjoy the video. And yeah, when you enjoy this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, click that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Top says we can't change the world unless we change ourselves. Let's keep the aesthetic, you know. We're in this with the aesthetic. Okay. So, I'm about to open it. Oh, they smell interesting. Interesting. It's the chip. They're generous sizes. Okay, let's see. So this one, you know, it's a wrap snack and not a Lay's. Cheese. Next to it, I was expecting it to be more smoky. I wouldn't get these only for the aesthetic. Like, I wouldn't get them because I enjoy them. I get them for the aesthetic. But they're like, I'm gonna rate them. Okay, for some odd reason, I have this tactic like it's gonna change the taste. What is that? 2 out of 5. I ain't going for that again. Let's see. Popcorn. Okay, so this one doesn't have a slogan up top. It's popcorn. It's white cheddar with a dab of ranch popcorn. Same slogan. We take pride in setting the tone for the culture of hip-hop. We will always remember what got us here: hard work, dedication, and teamwork. Our dreams are what inspire us. Don't stop dreaming. Quality control music. All right, let's try them. And it's just popcorn, like it's legit popcorn. Absolutely not. These, cancel. Cancel. I'm gonna give that a 1 out of 5. Now we're gonna try Faygo pineapple watermelon. This is what we're doing. I know in Louisiana they have like big shots. I think this is like the Texas version of big shots. I don't know. I just didn't see big shots, so this was the second thing closest. This was the next thing closest to it. All right. This is like soda. It's fizzing up. At this point, I had realized that Jesus had sent whoever did this. Okay, so fun fact about me, I love Tahitian tree, but it's a hard thing to find when you live in the suburbs. God came down and created this drink. This is Tahitian tree in a bottle. Do you know how hard it is to find Tahitian tree? The closest thing you can find to it is tiki punch, and tiki punch is hard to find. You will notice I didn't take down any other drink like I took this drink down. For real, y'all. Oh my gosh. 5 out of 5. I love them. Whoever put this on Twitter, I love them. Okay. At this point, I had hope. But shortly after that, my hope was short-lived. B. Okay. Cardi B. This is gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot, y'all. Habanero hot cheese popcorn. Stay true to who you are is her slogan at the top. On the back, her quote is, being successful in life and in the music business is all about being true to who you are. Knowing your self-worth, never sweating the small things, and always following your gut instincts. If you follow the rule of thumb, it will eventually create a recipe for success. Okay, y'all, I like stuff that has spice to it, but like I'm never one to just, I want hot chips. Like if I want hot chips, I'm really craving hot chips. So I was really confident that I could survive the heat. Like, this wasn't hot. No, this ain't hot. I don't feel no heat. Okay, that's count of 3. This is 4. 5, 6, 7. I'm feeling the heat in my throat. And then I realized why God told us to be humble. It's good though. Let's give me 5 out of 5. And I love Cardi, so 5 out of 5. Big. We need a wrap snack, sis. What's this? Jesus, how many chips do they got? Like, how many chips y'all got? Don't no man need this many chips. Migos sour cream with a dab of ranch. I should have did sour cream with a dab of onion. And this one don't have no slogan on it either. Did they get tired of dealing with Migos? Now on the back, their quote on this bag is, dabbing is a lifestyle. Okay. I think they just got tired. When I tell you this was foul, like foul. Cancel, period. God. They don't smell pleasurable, but they're probably gonna taste good. This chip is huge. I'm so mad. You can say they literally played off the lyric in a dab range, cause this ain't good. 2 out of 5. Give me something to drink because they're canceled. And we got 2 more bags to go. Okay, so this is a Faygo raspberry blueberry. Let's see how it goes. Okay. It tastes like a blue drink. I feel like all blue drinks taste the same. It's not nasty. It's okay. It can get a 3 out of 5. Okay. It's something else hot. I can already tell. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. I'm beyond all that fuck shit. All right. So we got ooh wee, Lil Yardi's hot cheese fries. And he ain't got no slogan at the top either. But he got little sailboats and stuff. He got the most dressed up background. He got a quote at the back. His quote on the back says, "Don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being the same as everyone else." Period. I live my life like this. Alright. Let's see. And they said cheese fries. But these ain't fries. These are puffs. Let's see. You can get a 4 out of 5. I'm not even about to keep giving this a chance. It's basic. Ain't nothing to it. It tastes just like the hot fries in the yellow bag. Basic. Wavy. Migos barbecuing with my honey with a dab of ranch. What the? That sounds disturbing. Same quote. We take pride. And this time they got a slogan that is like that. Okay, let's see. See, I try not to judge the smell, but then I wanted to throw the smell up. Is trifling. This is the worst one. Do not. I'm gonna throw up. It's like, I ain't never tasted nothing like that in my life. Don't do it. And this is the Faygo Red Pop. So I'm thinking we finna get like strawberry vibes because there's strawberries on the cup. So like, duh. Okay, let's see. And I love anything strawberry, and it smells so good. It smells like strawberry cherry. Tastes like Red Pop. At this point, I was over it. Alright. They can get a 5 out of 5 because it tastes like what it's supposed to. My favorite of them all, like what I'm gonna rate to the top. I'm just not a huge fan of wrap snacks. Like they're black, so I'm gonna purchase again. But like, I'm not a huge fan. But I would get the white cheddar with a dab of ranch cheese puffs again. These are the 2 highest contestants, okay? This in here, this in here, this in here. I'm ordering these to be in my kitchen, okay? And then these here, if I just like happen to stop at the gas station and like I'm trying to make sure I get a black owned product, these will work. But yeah, that's it, you guys. So y'all comment down below, and then I'm gonna put like the tag and stuff for wrap snacks, because like we need to figure out why Meg ain't got no chips, and then why do Pac not have chips? Biggie got chips, Pac ain't got no chips though. Like, what's up with that? That's biased. We know what side they're on. Alright, you guys. Peace.
What's poppin'?
Who you